Hello, my name is Nebula Major, and today I'm going to be attempting to give myself like a balayage type of look, like with highlights and stuff. Hopefully this works. I have never done this before. So yeah, wish me luck. This Vaseline to put around my hairline just to protect it from the bleach in case it does get on there, but I'm not really, hopefully I don't get a lot of bleach on my roots because that's not the look I'm looking for. Alright, cool. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna part my hair in sections. So I wanna roll in the middle. That way I can part my hair, whichever way I part my hair, there won't be like harsh line where I started bleaching and stuff. So my hair it's dirty. I've had it straight for about 2 weeks now, so I am going to, well, I decided to do this now because I need to wash my hair, and it's good to do bleach on like oily hair a little bit. Like, it doesn't have to be squeaky clean. That way it can be protected a bit. All right, bleach. I'm using BW2. I went to my local beauty supply store and got that. And I'm also using 20 volume. Yeah. This is the consistency I have. All right. And I have foils. All right, and a rat tail comb. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the front and have like kind of like baby highlights in the front. this side. Wipe my hands off on this towel. So for the side, we're gonna go diagonal. So take a smaller piece in the front. I'm going on to the other side, but first, before I do that, I'm going to check the first one that I did. I can clip those back. Okay, now we're just going to unravel it just to see how far it's processed. We don't want to over process our hair and have it fall out. So that's how far it's gone right now. Pretty dark on the bottom. Add a little bit more bleach. And can keep processing for a little bit longer. So I'm almost done processing. It's just some spots of my hair. So at the bottom, it's not getting light like the middle is, which is weird because I learned that the middle takes the longest to process, and then your roots and your ends take the fastest time. But for some reason my ends are not processing at the same time as my middle, so I had to go back and put more bleach on the ends a little bit. So hopefully that works, or I'm just gonna be walking around real spotty. But yeah, I'll see you guys after I shampoo this out. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. Okay, I shampooed my hair. So now I'm gonna give a deep condition with this cholesterol. And I'm gonna mix it in with this toner. It's a semi-permanent color, but I'm using it as a toner, kind of. I'm gonna mix it with that I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see how this came out. I'm so scared. Oh. I look crazy. Oh no. Oh no. Well, it is what it is. So, why did I do this to myself? Alright, so I'm just gonna keep this on my head probably overnight, and I'm gonna rinse it out in the morning, and then I'll let you guys see how it looks. Alright. So today is the next day. I put the color in. It was a Adore semi-permanent color, and I slept with the deep conditioner in my hair as well as the color. And then this morning I rinsed it out, and then my mother-in-law flat ironed it for me, and this is how it came out. So I just only highlighted half of my head, and the back is not highlighted, and I like it. I think it came out really good. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me do anything else, just comment below, and I would love to do it because this was really fun. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Well, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Like, you think I should use a different color? Yeah, but I think it's really fall, like winter color. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.